Do you know many people are having trouble with understanding the battery symbol on their clock radio? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Identify symbol. Look for the battery symbol on the display. This indicates a weak backup battery needing replacement. Step 2. Keep plugged. Keep the radio plugged in to maintain the clock time during the battery replacement process. Step 3. Replace battery. Remove the battery compartment screw and replace the old battery with a new CR2032 lithium battery. Step 4. Insert correctly. Ensure the plus side of the new battery is facing up before securing it with the screw. Step 5. Reset display. Press the DIOON button to reset and remove the battery warning indicator from the display. With these steps, your clock radio should now operate without showing the battery warning. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Sony users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.